all these segments, my day in the life of using the Ray-Bans, Meta Ray-Bans, the day in the life. So I'm at Arundel Seafood today, gonna get some seafood, meeting up with a good friend of mine, a very good friend. One of my best friends to be exact with y'all, but we up here today. It says no alcohol permitted on outdoor patio. I don't drink alcohol. So we gonna see how this goes. You see me, I look good, don't I? Look good. All right guys, so this is how it normally looks. You can get some stuff like this over here. Over here, I don't drink. Move, man. So we got this here. So I got me a po' boy. My first time eating a po' boy. Now, my good friend, one of my best friends, we call him Dr. Ike Kevorkian. Got the what did you get? What did you get again?
I got the fish sub.
Fish sub. Now he got the tried and true fish sub because he said it never did him wrong.
Nah, fish sub would be good.
So
if I'm about to eat my po' boy, I am gonna give you, try to get as close as I can using this, and I'm on the DJI Action 2. So just giving you the day in the life. Again, I said that before, but I'm ranting. This is all new to me, so you have to forgive me. Of using the Meta Ray-Ban smart glasses. All right, guys. So I'm about to unpack this. Show you through the process of unpacking it. Right? All right, up to it. We got the ketchup. He's going to get a plate. This is the fish. This is the pork. Now you got to understand that there's two different weights. That fish sandwich is weighted. This thing feels like a weapon, guys. Look at that. Look at that. It feels like a weapon. Now watch mine. So this feels like a weapon. The fish sandwich, you can actually knock somebody out with it because it's so heavy. The po' boy, you might give him a little concussion. You'll knock somebody out with the fish sandwich. Slap my sandwich one more time.
This is how it looks. This is how the sandwich looks all the way around. So this is how it looks all the way around, guys.
Eat your food, boo-boo.
Before I desecrate the meal, you can see this is like a crevices. Like you're going. Can you imagine you doing a TIE fighter and you had to go through the crevices to the other side using a TIE fighter? All right, guys, there you go. Guys, I ate the po' boy. What did I think about it? It was pretty good. I give it a 7 out of 10. I'm not really into fried shrimp like that. I really like mine kind of steamed. But as a sandwich, it's pretty good, pretty filling. It filled me up. But I'm gonna tell you that Mack truck as the fish sandwich. If you're ever in Arundel Seafood, get that fish sandwich. If you get a half, you're just enter into Big Back University. But if you get the full, you are a legitimate alumni of Big Back University.
You're a professor.
You are a professor. Say that one more time.
You're a professor, an alumni, a donor. You eat a whole fish sub from here. Something wrong with you.
You are a Big Back University alumni, teacher, and resident. All right, guys. We have done our duty. And we conquered. We devoured. We conquered, devoured. All right, guys. We'll see you on another session one day soon. All right.